and a half. If
Okay.
you're 3 people, you just add to it. Right?
Okay.
So this is I'm going to quickly read through it. Broad beans, 1 cup. Okay. Pinto beans, 1 cup. Navy beans, 1 cup. Red kidney beans, 1 cup. Okay. This is a powerful mixture. So broad beans, pinto beans, navy beans, red kidney beans. This is 1 cup of each for 2 people. Now you also put in 3 red onions, right? And you put in about 2 tablespoons of ginger. 2 red chilies that will warm yourself up. But when you cook the red chili, the flame of the chili cuts down, but it's still warm, and it's lovely taste, right? And then 2 cloves of garlic, and then turmeric, 2 teaspoons of powder. So repeating: broad beans, pinto beans, navy beans, red kidney beans, 3 red onions, ginger, 2 red chilies, 2 cloves of garlic, turmeric, 2 teaspoons, and 6 cups of pure water. So if you're cooking with 1 person, you make 3 cups. All right. Now, what actually happened is that this is ideal for cold winter nights. Right. Now, what you do before you put the beans in your pot, you put in your pot 6 bay leaves, preferably fresh. 6 bay leaves, some oregano, like 2 tablespoons, some tarragon, right? And you put it all together with the beans, and you cook the beans in the 6 cups of water. You cook it, you let it simmer low heat, low heat, right? You let it simmer for 2 hours.
Okay.
The beans will get soft eventually, right? Now, at the end of it, you can either eat it as a meal like that, or you can put it in like a NutriBullet, and you blend it, and you put some extra virgin olive oil with it. Right?
Brilliant.
So for people who get trouble with their teeth, use that. Blend it.
Oh, fantastic.
Right? Blend it. Now, to finalise that is that if you want this mixture to be really, really tasty and add even more flavour, add sea salt later or sel de Gueron later, as well as fresh basil and extra virgin olive oil.
Brilliant.
It's a brilliantly tasty dish, and it's full. And then literally, it will make you feel full of beans. There's a saying that says, full of beans. That's the way to do it.
That's the way.
Okay.
And so that's it. And that will give you how many hours of energy?
12 hours.
12
12
hours of energy. Guys, look, we have our breakfast show talkers. Tony Glaswegian saying, good morning, loving the health education there. We have our general saying, this is real education. Absolutely phenomenal. Thank you so much for that, guys. I'm actually